मेरा नाम फैज अबू मल्क और उससे पहले तुम्हारी बीवी को ढूंढने के सारे सुराग मिट जाए कहते हैं
Hi everyone, this is Samya from Midday. We have a very fun guest today. We have Shiv Pandit.
Hi,
Hi Shiv, how are you?
I'm very well. Thanks for asking. I mean, it's good to see cheerful and happy faces. Post the lockdown. Not doesn't everything doesn't have to be miserable all the time.
I saw that you were first a radio jockey and then you shifted to acting, and I was very curious on how did that transition happen?
That transition didn't really happen because I wanted it to happen. I actually got fired from my job.
over whatever incident. And then what happened was that my one of my bosses only told me that this will be the best thing that will happen to you. And I was like, okay, great. And what happened was that when you get fired from a job, you get a severance fee. If you अगर आप resign करते हैं तो आप resign करके फिर आप सब लोग आपको शाबाशी देते हैं, well done. But if you get fired, you actually get 3 to 4 months of a severance fee. You get money.
Right.
So I got that money and I was having a great time. I was partying and I was having a wonderful time. And then sort of tukke se I got a call for to act in a commercial. जिसको डायरेक्ट कर रहे थे उस वक्त तो मुझे पता नहीं था एंड इवन ही डिडंट नो इट बट अमित शर्मा द डायरेक्टर ऑफ बधाई हो उन्होंने उस कमर्शियल को डायरेक्ट किया था एंड नितिश तिवारी द डायरेक्टर ऑफ दंगल ही वाज द क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर फ्रॉम द एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी ऑन दैट कमर्शियल एंड द cinematographer was Binod Pradhan who's shot Rang De Basanti.
Right.
So that's pretty much it how I got into acting by default.
With this new movie of yours, which has just released, what would you like to say about Khuda Hafiz and your role in the movie? Because it seems to be very promising, and I'm sure the viewers want to know a lot more about it.
Well, I'm very grateful to Farooq Kabir because I was shooting for another film and out of the blue, Vidyut's manager Abbas, he called me and Abbas was like, listen, I want you to speak to Farooq Kabir. And he's directed this film called Allah Ke Bande. And I was like, of course, मैंने उनका नाम सुना है. And then somehow where I was, वहाँ भी network बहुत खराब था. So Farooq and me took around 5 or 6 days to speak to each other because it was very difficult. The network was terrible. I think मेरी life में terrible network ही है. See, every director has a lovely way of narrating their story and they really get into it. But there was one line which Farooq told me. उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि Shiv, trust me. Just do this role. Trust me on this. Just do this role. It will change your life. I don't know why he said that at that time. And the kind of confidence which he had in the way that he said that to me, I found it amazing. And I found it so beautiful. And I found it that ye director is so passionate about his craft. So I was like, man, I have to, that's what I tell him today. I said, as an actor, when your captain or your director is so clear about what they want, then his troops or his actors can actually follow him into battle, completely confidently. So I really, really found that amazing about Farooq. And basically, the reason I've done Khuda Hafiz is because of his gut feel and his confidence in me. So that's something really, I really cherish that today.
I think in this lockdown, most of us are trying to be more active on social media, and I've seen that over time with you.
No, and I totally feel. I think at the end of the day, it's not a thing to be said because मैं एक actor हूँ और एक cliched चीज होती है बोलने के लिए. But see, the reason I am getting so much love for Khuda Hafiz is because of the audience. And if I cannot interact with my audience, अगर मैं, see, उनको मैं क्या? I'm not giving them anything in return. All I'm getting from them is love and kindness. So the least I can be is a little bit grateful. I can show a little bit gratitude. Interact with people from time to time. And it's just such a positive kind of a feeling, and I think we need more of that in the world. We need more love, more positivity, more kindness. So it doesn't hurt anybody. I think कोई इसमें किसी का कोई जारा नहीं है, किसी से अगर आप प्यार से बात कर ले, it's wonderful to just be like that. You know what I'm saying?
Definitely, when you reach a certain point, it is because of the people who've given you so much love. So it is always so good to see that love back.
Yeah, you should never forget the people who've supported you on the way up. You should never do that because as you keep getting bigger and more successful, you'll have more and more people will come into your life. But to reach that point, किसने आपकी मदद की? You should never. I mean, you should don't try and forget the people who were there with you from the very beginning. You know.
So, besides Khuda Hafiz, which has been one of the movies that you would say where you've got a lot of love and support, and you've been like, oh, you've been overwhelmed with the love.
Well, to tell you the truth, there have been a few high points in my career. I think again, I never really imagined that these would be the high points, but one of the biggest high points in my career was when I did a show called FIR. मैंने एक show किया था FIR, in which I played this really crazy kind of Inspector Hanuman Prasad Pandey, which Kavita Kaushik, the actress in the show, used to call Makhan Singh. And so that was a really big high point in my career. मुझे लगता था when I was doing that show कि किसी को मेरी परवाह नहीं है, because I was, my director Shashank Bali, he is the reason why I've sort of gotten decent at comedy, because he never lost faith and confidence in me as an actor. जब मैंने show छोड़ने के बाद, people were like, oh my God, why is the guy left the show? And आपने show क्यों छोड़ दिया and all that. So I realized after leaving the show that what a wonderful kind of a love I got from the audience.
Right.
So that was one, and I really cherish that, and now Khuda Hafiz. So there have been certain high points in my career, and I definitely feel I'm very. This is certainly a high point for me in my career, because the kind of love and appreciation I'm getting is unprecedented. It's wonderful, and I'm very grateful. Did not expect this at all, but I'm very, very happy that people have liked our film and they've liked my work. So it's amazing. I just saw one comment from my director Farooq. Farooq is on the line, and I want to tell him publicly that I love the guy, and he is going to be a director for everyone to watch out for, and I am, because he is. So FK, thank you so much, man. I'm getting all this love because of you for Faiz Abu Malik. And now especially Khuda Hafiz 2 has been announced, So I'm so excited for the entire team. Yeah, I'm very excited for the entire team, and frankly, it couldn't have happened to a better team, because Farooq, Vidyut, Kumarji, Abhishek, all these people, they've really worked hard on putting Khuda Hafiz together. And I know that, I know कि when it was told to us कि ये OTT पे आने वाली है, so initial reaction was, oh man, we wanted a big theatrical release. But then, I spoke to Farooq about it, and he's like, it is what it is. Let's see what happens. And I think it's the best thing for us that we release on OTT. So many people have seen our film, and so many people have given us love. So, and due to that, we've got Khuda Hafiz 2 coming out.
And which is your favorite look your personal favorite look? Do you like yourself with the mustache or without it?
I think it's very important to keep changing your look, and not being too stuck on one look. So it makes it easier for the audience to kind of see you in a different light, if you know what I'm saying.
Correct.
Like all my looks, if you notice, like I look very different in FIR. In Shaitan, I look very different. I did a movie called Boss. I look very different. I did a movie called Love for Netflix. I look very different in that. Khuda Hafiz, I look extremely different. Now
this is a very intense character that you're playing. Any other genre that you just enjoy playing?
So I have never done a comedy film. I have never done a comedy film, and I would love to do a comedy film.
We would love to watch you in a comedy film.
Yeah, because the thing is that it's very difficult to do comedy, and I think that मेरी जो start हुई थी industry में was a very intense kind of a role. The character of Dash, Dushyant Sahu, that I was playing in Shaitan, वो जो character था थोड़ा सा intense किस्म का था, and so I think फिल्मों में मुझे किसी ने nobody has seen me in that kind of a comic zone. So I think it will be very interesting for people to see me, who can play Dash in Shaitan, or Faiz Abu Malik in Khuda Hafiz, to suddenly see me in a comic kind of a role. I think that would be a very interesting kind of thing to do.
We've been following the news. There's a lot of controversy around nepotism. Have you faced that personally? How is it? I mean, is it as bad as people portray it to be in Bollywood?
Nepotism की अगर बात की जाए, अगर मैंने nepotism face किया भी है, then I'm not aware of it. See, I have been very lazy all my life. I still feel I need to become a little more proactive. I need to be a little more consistent. So what happens is that when I used to get rejected for a role, उस वक्त मुझे ये नहीं लगता था कि मैं क्यों रिजेक्ट हुआ, मैं क्यों में नहीं जाता था. आई यूज्ड टू थिंक अबाउट, okay, why haven't I got it, and I used to feel bad. So then I stopped feeling bad because I was like, listen, man, if the logic is very simple. Nobody, what is meant to happen for you will happen for you. So you have to knock on 100 doors, maybe one will open, then you knock on another 100, another one will open, so stuff like that. So I never got into the why. I just kept going.
Right.
You need to be slightly thick-skinned for that. You can't be so sensitive. If you be a little sensitive and you start getting into, oh my God, I haven't got this, oh my God, I haven't got that, oh my God, so what will happen is, you end up wasting time. And
Correct.
I know for a fact that I'm here in this industry because I belong here. I'm confident of that fact that I will continue to work here because I am confident that I will work here. So it doesn't matter, yeah, if I get rejected for 100 things, I'll try for the 101st thing. It's you just have to be very confident of yourself, and you don't let other people's decisions or other people's attitude towards you define you. You gotta define yourself. If you're gonna reject me 100 times, I'll still keep trying. I'll try and try and try. I'll try.
That is amazing because you have actually not just Bollywood but been in so many different short films and a lot of series, which means like you want to try a lot of new things.
You're right, because हुआ क्या था कि there was a point when I was not getting the kind of work I wanted to do. अब मेरे पास यार दो ऑप्शन थे, या तो मैं घर बैठ के मतलब कीर्तन गाऊं कि मुझे काम नहीं मिल रहा, काम एंड देन अपना रोना शुरू कर दूं, या फिर मैं कुछ और करूं. जो आदमी मेरे पास काम लेके आया है, भले वो कम पैसे ऑफर कर रहा है या भले वो बोल रहा है फ्री में कर लो या जो भी कर लो, द पॉइंट इज यू गॉट टू बी लाइक वाटर, यू गॉट टू कीप गाइडिंग, यू हैव टू बी फ्लेक्सिबल. You cannot be rigid कि नहीं अब मुझे यही काम करना है. So you got to see what opportunities are presenting themselves to you, and you got to sort of maneuver yourself according to those opportunities, because when you least expect it, these very small kinds of things will eventually help you later in life. Because there was a time when I wasn't getting any work in films. मुझे फिल्में मिल नहीं थी, मुझे काम जिस किस्म का काम चाहिए था नहीं मिल रहा था, but I did so many short films. So what that did was my mind was active. I kept working. I worked with different directors. They asked me, listen, hey, we can't pay you. I said, okay, fine, don't pay me. I'll learn. I'll get experience, And what that did was, my churi ko kehte na, it keeps getting sharpened. So I kept doing that. Because that is very important. An actor has to be a working actor. An actor can't be a daydreaming actor. Unless and until an actor is a working actor, only then can he refine the technical aspects of his craft, or and every director expects that when you come on a set, you have to know what is happening. आप उधर आके set पे, you can't start sitting and asking questions that मैं ये कैसे करूँ वैसे करूँ. You have to be on your A game. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely agree. Which brings us back to the question that the viewer asked, and can you say one favorite dialogue of yours?
यार प्रॉब्लम पता क्या है, वो डायलॉग जो है ना, अब वो लोगों को मेरी मूंछ इतनी पसंद आ गई है कि वो बिना मूंछ के वो डायलॉग वैसे साउंड करेगा नहीं, बट मैं फिर भी ट्राई कर सकता हूँ. मेरा नाम फैज अबू मलिक है, और उससे पहले कि तुम्हारी बीवी को ढूंढने के सारे सुराग मिट जाए, कहते हैं अभी तो फील नहीं आ रही है, बट ठीक है, I'll try.
Great. So I just wanted to know if there is anything that you want to tell the audience. Do you want them to go watch the movie right now?
I would love for people to watch खुदा हाफिज. जिन लोगों ने खुदा हाफिज नहीं देखी है, प्लीज खुदा हाफिज जरूर देखें. I'm sure, at least judging by the audience, the general audience response, लोगों को ये फिल्म बहुत पसंद आ रही है. And ये currently it is streaming on Disney Hotstar Plus VIP. आपकी पूरी ये एक फैमिली फिल्म है, आपकी जो पूरी फैमिली है, यू कैन ऑल वॉच दिस फिल्म. सो मैं आप सबसे दरख्वास्त करूंगा कि जरूर ये फिल्म देखें, मेरा इसमें काम देखें एज फैज अबू मलिक. So like Farooq keeps saying that this guy Faiz Abu Malik is like the Arabic Bond. He's like the Arabic James Bond, because somebody told him that this guy Faiz, the way you created Faiz is like an Arabic, because the way Farooq shot him, during the filming process, Farooq used to keep telling me ki, I'm shooting you with such style, I'm going to shoot you, I'm going to put the camera on your back because the audience is going to follow you. So he really mounted Faiz up because he wanted Faiz to be a larger than life kind of a character. So and it's paid off. It's really paid off.
On that note, Thank you so much for being
Bye.
with us
Bye,
live
guys.
today.
Thanks so much for joining, whoever joined the live. And thank you for being with Samya and me. It was wonderful interacting with all of you. I'll see you. Bye.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.